So there's this talk about how AI has come to take over our jobs, right? But I think most people haven't looked at the advantages of artificial intelligence. Yes, it has also, well, there may be some jobs that are under threat, but there are also new opportunities that AI has brought our way. So that's the essence of making this video. Yes, I want to sort of expose our minds to some skills, some AI skills that we can learn even as we go into another year, 2026. Right. So the first one is AI mentorship or AI tutelage. Now, of course, there are a plethora of AI platforms, ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Nano Banana, and all that. So you can take a particular AI platform or, well, different AI platforms, but at least start with one, and then you can learn it, okay, get so much knowledge about it, master it, and then you can now pass this knowledge over to people at a price. They're going to pay for the knowledge, right? You can even package your the knowledge you've acquired on these AI platforms into courses, right? Or you can hold virtual seminars, online seminars, make content about on the knowledge you've acquired, package them into videos that can be monetized, right? So AI mentorship is a huge market opportunity even as we go into 2026. So the next one is AI prompt engineering. Now, of course, prompts are the live wire of any AI platform. The quality of the output you get is dependent on the quality of the input or the prompt you put in. So as a prompt engineer, you can be highly sought after. Yes, you can study how to write good prompts, okay, for different AI platforms, right? And then you can now sell these prompts to different brands or agencies who seek to, who do a lot of, use a lot of AI platforms to, in their workflow, right? So you can be a prompt engineer who have mastered, the art of writing good prompts for different AI platforms, and then you could definitely make a ton of living from that as well. So the next one is image and video content generation. Yes, so of late, we have seen an explosion of, a plethora of image and video generation content. So let's assume you have this phobia for talking on camera, like you're not comfortable talking on camera. Yes, you can use AI to generate images and videos. And of course, you can even start your own faceless channel. I mean, we've seen an explosion of faceless content on YouTube and other social media platforms. So you don't need to be talking on camera like this. All you need to do is, of course, just use well-detailed prompts to create or generate your images, your videos, and of course, you can monetize this skill as well. So AI image and video creation is massive. The next one is AI automation agencies. Now, there are a lot of brands that do a ton of repetitive tasks, right, in their workflow. So you can set up an AI automation agency that uses or that leverages on the power of artificial intelligence to reduce the workflow that these brands they have to undergo, and then it will make their processes or the outcomes more efficient and effective. So you can market AI automation skills to brands, right? So that they don't have to do a lot of stressful and repetitive tasks, right? All they just need to do is to deploy these AI systems, and then they can churn out more output in less time. So AI automation agency is a massive opportunity even as we go into 2026. So these are some of the skills that AI has brought to us. So I advise you just pick one or two, master them, and I'm telling you are definitely going to be highly sought after in 2026. So I'm sure you had value from this video. If you liked the video, if you've got questions or suggestions, leave them in the comment section. And of course, subscribe to my channel because I make a lot of videos on graphic design and general content creation every week. So I'm going to make a part 2 of this video. I'm going to be talking about another set of skills that you can learn, AI skills that you can learn as we go into 2026. So I would advise you to subscribe to my channel and ensure the notification is turned on so you will be notified when that video is uploaded. So thanks for watching. Peace out.